inspiration for the next generation.
Most filmy person in real life among you all.
I'm pretty filmy.
I'm very stressed about catching my flights. What are you saying?
Malik of perfect one-take shots.
Raj.
Malik of last-minute script changes.
And he will not even warn you, he'll start improvising.
So there's a shot in the teaser where he's standing on the. It was never on the script. He never told me that he's going to do it. There was a master shot. He stood there and he was doing it.
Who's the real Malik on the set?
On set, director always.
Yes.
One word for your co-star sitting next to you. 1, 2, 3. And then come back.
Inspiration, phenomenal friend, genuine and eager to learn.
And from you, sir?
Again, inspiration for the next generation. Fire,
Fire.
yeah, and hardworking.
For you?
Kamal.
Kamal.
Kamal, bemisal, lajawab.
For Raj, I'd say extremely talented. For Sir, I'd say inspiration, definitely. For Pulkit, I'd say empathetic. Huh?
Cut.
Cut.
Okay. Last thing you Googled on your phone.
Last thing, I think because we were coming back from Jaipur last night, so we Googled how much time will it take, right?
Yeah, we were Google mapping.
Yeah, how much time would it take?
We were told, someone told us it will take 3 hours. It definitely
Yeah, I don't know.
took-
Somebody said 2.5 and 3 hours. But no, I always
Definitely
knew it
took a
was.
bit
From
more.
Jaipur to Delhi.
Yeah, I don't know who said that.
What did you Google?
I don't Google.
I don't Google.
Not much.
यही
I
कहता
am
हूँ मैं
very-
भी. Also, we were
We
playing
were
the game.
we
We
were
were
yeah,
playing
the
Atlas, so probably like
game.
whatever cities
Yeah, I was
that
doing
Pulkit
cheating,
was
correct.
Yeah,
making
he
up,
was
we were
making
checking
some
on Google.
fictional cities.
One line from the film that makes you feel like a boss.
पैदा नहीं हुए तो क्या? बन तो सकते हैं मालिक.
I think this is the best line. You want this line to be viral.
Any your favorite dialogue from the film?
मैंने ही लिखी है तो सारी. But my favorite is कि अपनी कहानी में हम खुद हीरो हैं.
खरो है.
From you?
Yeah, I think mine is the same.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Most filmy person in real life among you all.
Most filmy.
Most
I'm
filmy.
pretty filmy.
Huh?
Yeah. I don't know Dada so much personally.
I think Dada will be more filmy.
दादा भी हैं. हो
Yeah.
सकते हैं, है ना? आप भी हो ना? Yeah.
Who's most likely to cry during an emotional scene, even off camera?
I have a feeling it's Pulkit.
No,
While
he
watching.
actually him.
Well, sometimes you get into that mind space जहाँ पे it's tough to stop
Control.
it after a point. Yeah.
Okay, who's most likely to miss a flight but still be chill about it?
I am not. I'm like very punctual.
Manushi, छूटने वाली चीज़.
No, it was not my fault.
Yeah. But I think
It took some
no,
time for
she's
my-
saying कि छूट जाए और उसके बाद chill हो.
Chilo.
नहीं मैं chill बिल्कुल नहीं थी. Hello, मुझे tension हो रही थी, but I knew it's. But I mean, I was like, okay, I'll probably take the next flight.
Yeah,
but
that's what.
Yeah,
chill.
सुनना कि हाँ ठीक है ना.
I'm very stressed about catching my flights. What are you saying?
There's a conflict now. Clearly.
No.
What's one thing you would never let go out of control? Your Malik movement.
Any kind of hierarchy on set I don't like.
Coming late on the set.
Director's
As an emotion, you don't want to go out.
Huh, of course. Is an emotion as a thing, something?
Anger, I think.
Anger.
Just anything that's unprofessional.
Okay, now this is who's Malik of what? Malik of food cravings.
Food cravings. हमारे producer जयू sir.
Malik of perfect one-take shots.
Rajkumar
Raj.
Rao.
Rajkumar Rao.
नहीं दादा भी.
दादा भी देते
comes
हैं?
full prepared. Yeah.
Malik of on-set gossips.
Very harmless.
Raj.
Yeah, I think harmless.
They're
all are.
promoting.
We all are.
This is
We do harmless gossip. Yeah.
no, yeah.
Malik of the mirror. Most time getting ready. Nobody? Are you
No.
serious?
Obviously, it's not me. इन तीनों में से कौन है?
See, by virtue of sometimes like by
The
virtue
character.
of like being a female character, it might take a bit longer. But this character was not
Yeah.
like something that needed a very
Of
long
course.
time to
Yeah.
be put together.
Malik of serious expression even during jokes. I think it's you. For sure.
Yeah, he can
You
crack
can
a
do
joke
that.
with a straight face. Yeah.
Absolutely.
Why everything is me?
You
अच्छा
are
ठीक है हो गया.
Vijay Malik.
Malik of last minute script changes.
Not changes, but
Improvise.
sometimes we discuss and
Yeah.
we think यार अभी शायद उस moment पे सही लग रहा था. Maybe यहाँ पे after shooting for so many days we think यार कुछ और हो सकता
No,
है.
so basically, Pulkit, while we were prepping, I had never worked with Raj before. I obviously knew him. Told me that be prepared. Raj is the king of improvisation,
Okay.
and he will not even warn you. He'll start improvising. So you be prepped for all of that.
Yeah, like if you have seen the teaser,
Of
so there's a
course.
shot in the teaser where he's peeing on the standing on the.
Huh.
That was never on the script. He never told me that he's going to do it. There was a master shot. He stood there and he was doing it.
But the sweet thing about Raj was that he would, like, if he wanted to try something different, we would mark and he would
Yeah.
mentally prepare me. I would say last minute changes would be Pulkit, because a lot of times he would change my dialogues. And I do not like fumbling over my lines. So last minute I would feel so frustrated about the fact that frustrated would be a strong word to
Anxious,
use for
yeah.
that. But while shooting, if I were to miss a word, or if I were to, like, I don't like messing the lines that are written on paper.
So guys, please go and watch Malik in theatre on 11 July. This is me, Ashima Jain, signing off. Please like, share, subscribe to Har Zindagi.